Sweating between the legs, causes and home remedies. Sweating between the legs can be uncomfortable. However, there are some things a person can try to relieve it, such as wearing loose clothing and taking regular showers. Although some sweating between the legs is normal, excessive sweating in this area can sometimes indicate an underlying health condition. This video outlines the different causes of excessive sweating between the legs in both females and males. It also lists some home remedies and other treatments to help manage sweating in this area. Causes of sweating. Like the armpit region, the groin contains numerous sweat glands called apocrine glands. It is normal for people to experience some degree of sweating between their legs, especially during hot weather or exercise. Sweating is the body's way of cooling itself down. However, some people experience excessive sweating that is not a result of hot weather or vigorous physical activity. The medical term for this is hyperhidrosis. Excessive sweating between the legs can cause uncomfortable symptoms, including chafing, a rash, heat rash, itching, irritation, or pain. Causes of sweating in females. Females have a high concentration of apocrine glands around the vagina. Therefore, some degree of vaginal and inner thigh sweating is normal. However, it might be difficult for some females to tell whether their sweat levels are excessive or not. As a general rule, if there is a chance in sweating that is not due to hot weather or physical activity, a female should schedule an appointment with their doctor. Some reasons that females may experience excessive sweating between the legs: hormonal changes or imbalances, which may be due to birth control, pregnancy, menopause; anxiety and stress; obesity; low blood sugar levels; diabetes, which can cause night sweats; an overactive thyroid or hyperthyroidism, which usually involves additional symptoms such as rapid heart rate, accelerated weight loss, or fatigue; a family history of hyperhidrosis; certain medications such as hormone treatments, antidepressants, migraine medications; diaphoretics, which disrupt the body's ability to regulate temperature. Causes of sweating in males. Males tend to sweat more than females. They may also experience excessive sweating between the legs. The causes of hyperhidrosis in males are similar to those in females. They include hormone imbalances, anxiety and stress, obesity, low blood sugar levels, diabetes, hyperthyroidism, a family history of hyperhidrosis, certain medications. Home remedies. Home remedies may help people manage excessive sweating between the legs. Not wearing tight-fitting clothing. Wearing underwear and other clothing made from natural, breathable materials such as cotton. Taking regular showers or baths. Trimming the pubic hair. Applying cornstarch to the skin between the thighs to reduce moisture and limit odors. Managing stress with activities such as yoga or meditation. Avoiding spicy food, alcohol, and caffeine, as this can trigger a sweat response. When to see a doctor. Females who experience excessive sweating between the legs should see a doctor if they experience any of the following: increased sweating, excessive sweating elsewhere on the body, a pungent odor, pain, irritation or swelling in and around the vulva, unusual vaginal discharge, recurrent yeast infections, recurrent cases of bacterial vaginosis, embarrassment due to excessive sweating. Males who experience excessive sweating between the legs should see a doctor if they experience any of the following: increased sweating, excessive sweating elsewhere on the body, a change in body odor, a rash that accompanies the perspiration, itchy testicles, burning during urination, embarrassment due to excessive sweating.